Hey there everyone, welcome back to AutoAce, your ultimate pit stop for all things auto. Today, we're exploring the best budget-friendly motorcycle safety gear in 2025. A mix of affordability and quality that ensures you stay protected on every ride. If you're looking to gear up without overspending, this review is for you. Let's go! When it comes to motorcycle safety, investing in quality gear is non-negotiable. While high-end brands can be enticing, there are plenty of hidden gems that deliver top-notch protection without draining your wallet. Let's break down the must-have items so you can ride confidently, no matter where the road takes you. First up is the helmet, your most critical piece of safety equipment. A reliable helmet can make all the difference during unexpected impacts. One standout option is the LS2 Rapid Helmet, which offers full face protection with ECE 22.05 certification. Priced around 7,000 pesos, approximately $127. It boasts a lightweight design and a range of color options, proving that budget-friendly doesn't mean skimping on safety. Protective jackets come next. These not only shield your upper body in the event of a fall but also help reduce abrasions from the road. Look for jackets featuring CE-approved armor, abrasion-resistant materials, and smart ventilation systems. You can find quality jackets in the range of 2,500 to 4,000 pesos, roughly $45 to $70 USD, offering a stylish look alongside dependable protection. Gloves are another critical component of your gear set. The right pair can prevent serious hand injuries by offering reinforced stitching, snug fit, and extra protection around the knuckles. Budget-friendly motorcycle gloves are available starting at around 1,500 pesos, nearly $27, ensuring that your hands stay protected while you maintain a firm grip on the handlebars. Don't forget about riding boots, which play a vital role in protecting your feet and ankles. Look for boots designed with impact resistance, robust ankle support, and non-slip soles. Expect to invest between 4,000 to 6,000 pesos, roughly $70 to $100, for a pair that combines durability with comfort. A small price for peace of mind on every ride. Finally, to boost your visibility on the road, consider adding reflective vests or high-visibility accessories to your kit. These items are surprisingly affordable, often ranging from 500 to 1,000 pesos, around $9 to $18, and they serve as an essential extra layer of safety during night rides or low light conditions. That sums up our review of the best budget-friendly motorcycle safety gear available in 2025. If you have a favorite piece of gear or some recommendations from your own experiences, feel free to share them in the comments. Until next time, I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.